traders. In this video, we are looking at the weekly open indicator for MT4. This straightforward tool automatically plots the weekly opening price directly on your chart, acting as a key support or resistance zone and providing a psychological benchmark for market sentiment. In this video, you will see how the weekly open works, how price interaction is interpreted, and what trading strategies are described. The weekly open indicator for MT4 is a simple yet powerful technical tool, like I previously said, designed to automatically plot the weekly opening price directly on your charts, a level that many professional traders consider highly significant. The weekly opening price serves as a psychological benchmark for traders and market participants, with price trading above the weekly open often reflecting bullish sentiment, suggesting that buyers are in control. Conversely, when price remains below the weekly open, it can signal bearish pressure and possible continuation of downward movements, simplifying analysis by automatically marking this critical level and ensuring traders never miss this important market reference points. You can already see the horizontal lines on the chart. The weekly open indicator draws a horizontal line representing the weekly opening price, visible only during the current trading week with automatic updates. At the beginning of each new week, based on TradingView's weekly time segmentation, the indicator captures the open price of the first candle and draws a constant line across the charts until the week ends. The indicator provides visual clarity with a clean line that updates automatically at its new weekly session, acting as a dynamic support or resistance level ideal for planning entries or exits. As for the indicator settings, our inputs include count days, weekly open, line style, and line width. For this, you can customize the colors, our preferred colors, and we can also trade on our preferred time frames. Alright, as for who is for, the weekly open indicator is suitable for day traders, scalpers, and swing traders who want automatic weekly open plotting without manual calculation, market sentiment reference at a glance, and support for all trading styles. It works well when combined with moving averages for trend direction, RSI or volume indicators for confirmation, and support and resistance analysis to plan entry and exit points. However, the indicator does not guarantee direct buy or sell signals, but provides a framework for interpretation, acting as contextual guide to assess market conditions and structure trading strategies, requiring combination with other technical tools. You can download the weekly open indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how automatically plotting the weekly opening price provides an objective reference point that helps identify key support and resistance levels for better market structure understanding. If you like session-based key level indicators, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.